Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a favorite list on Instagram. Let's get started. Open Instagram on your device first. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Go to favorites under what you see. Here it will suggest you accounts that you follow to add to the list. Tap on Confirm Favorites to add them all to your favorite list. If you have a specific account you want to add, you can tap on the search bar at the top, search for their account, then tap on Add. You can add and remove people anytime. By adding to favorites, the posts from those accounts will be prioritized and shown at the top. And that is how to create favorite list on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.